He believed in himself. And you can too.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, slide a dolly, low hitting heavy. Hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this steady.
Good evening and welcome to this very special event. Today, we're here to shed some light on the world's most underrated talent and help artists achieve their dreams faster. Over the past 3 months, our community has grown exponentially, reaching over 19,000 followers. What an achievement. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for being on this journey since day one. Our mission is to help underrated creators get the attention they deserve and bring their skills to the next level. In February, we launched Blender Essentials, a virtual guide designed to kickstart your journey with Blender. Ever since, it has been downloaded over 300 times, making it one of the best products we've shipped this year. You can get it today for free by using this code on screen. Now, I want to shift your attention to a task we all love and enjoy. I'm talking about video editing, and if you use Premiere Pro, well, you're in luck. You're about to learn some handy tips and tricks that are specifically tailored for Reels. But if your workflow includes other software, don't worry, the techniques will be pretty much the same. So, let's head into the editing bay. What do these reels have in common? I'll give you a second. Got it? They all feature a glitch effect that serves as a clever transition. I've received hundreds of requests from you to make a tutorial on this exact technique. Well, here's how.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
It's as easy as that. Be sure to not overdo it, since excessive usage might trigger epilepsy. Another important factor is quality. You might have made the best video of all time, but if the delivery isn't done right, people are going to notice immediately. Here's what you need to pay attention to if you want the best results possible. Before you export, head over to your timeline and put an adjustment layer above your video clip, but below your text if you have any. Grab the unsharp mask effect and put it on your layer. Set the amount to 200 and the radius to 1. And when you hit export, make sure to use H.264 as the format. Scroll down and click render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Then look for the bitrate settings. Switch the bitrate encoding to VBR2pass and set the target bitrate to 15 and the maximum bitrate to 20 megabits per second. And that's all you need to know about high fidelity exports. Back to the studio. As you can see, you have all the right tools ready at your disposal. It's only a matter of time and correct execution. Of course, you can't end a show without mentioning AI, and if you didn't know yet, Instagram is starting to use your content to train their models very soon. Luckily, you can opt out of this. Here's how.
The bubbles we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get on my section, don't bother with lanes. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty your 10, the rubber band, come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know when we leaving. All I really need to
And that rounds off the event. Or so would you think. The last couple of months have been challenging to say the least, with many creators claiming that the algorithm is getting in their way. However, I think we're missing a crucial point here. By continuously focusing on our post performance, we neglect our gut feeling and turn the creative process into a dreadful chore. So tonight, we're kicking off a program to change this. Over the next 8 weeks, we'll guide you through a series of challenges that will push the creative boundaries and help you grow quicker than ever before. Let's head into the museum and talk about the foundation of creativity. Inspiration can come from anywhere. On Instagram alone, there are over 1.3 billion posts uploaded each day. No wonder why it's one of the best platforms to come across new ideas. But what exactly is inspiration? I like to think of it like lightning. It strikes when you expect it the least, and when it does, it ignites a fire within yourself. That fire is what ultimately drives your motivation and makes you get excited for new projects. But at times, finding the right content can be really tough, especially when some are designed to keep you hooked. However, I've developed a framework that makes the process significantly easier, and here's how you're going to do that. The Reels tab is the most powerful tool you have, because without it, you'd be discovering the right content at a much slower pace. From now on, all your scrolling sessions will be spent more mindfully, and you'll be actively looking for reels that seem to spark your interest. The key is to find something that you can recreate in a realistic time frame, while also enjoying it so you can keep going for longer. For example, for me, this was the inspiration for one of my first reels. If we compare them side to side, you can notice some similarities. I really liked the way the caustics were hitting the car, so I wanted to achieve a similar setup. And if you look closely, the light fringing added an extra layer of realism to the shot. Combine it with a trending soundtrack, and you might have accidentally created a viral reel. So, whenever you come across such a post, you'll save it to a custom collection and come back to it later. There are really no rules, so you can repeat it as often as you like. Additionally, make sure to interact with the reel in some way. This could be sharing, replaying, or commenting in order to get more suggestions like this. Over time, the algorithm is going to adjust to your preferences, and you should see some improvement within a few days. So, here you have it, a rock-solid blueprint of what to do for the first week. You can join the community today for free, and you'll get the updates for the next 7 weeks in this channel. If you have any questions regarding the program, you can ask there as well. Now, back to the studio. It's truly incredible how much impact you can have on the world by simply posting consistently. We believe that all creators deserve the necessary recognition without having to worry about algorithmic principles. For years, finding the right audience has been incredibly tough for artists like you, and we're here to change that. For some, self-promotion has been the only way to grow with minimal results, and even paid courses aren't viable options due to financial limitations. So it's safe to say that a program like this simply does not exist anywhere else. I can't wait to hear your achievements after the following weeks. Thank you for coming and have a great day.
Without you here, can't